Hey guys, have you ever wondered what's MEOWL? So what's MEOWL? Yowl is a cat's head called melon pie with owl's body, so together it looks like this. Anyway, where did MEOWL originate from? While it surged in 2025, the MEOWL image itself originated from a 2013 Weibo post combining a Chinese cat named Guapi called Melon Pie with a barn owl. And the meme itself was created in China and then popularized in Europe and America. Types of MEOWL you can find on media platforms.